Actually, the fun about Labubu is the unboxing. So, you know, you don't know what's there in store for you. It's just a trend. You never know how long it exists, but enjoy till it lasts.
It's very comforting to know that he will be around till next year. Hello and welcome. This is Deepti Sadhwani for Mo, and we've caught the Khan return with her Labubu. Can we show it to everyone?
Hi, everybody. This is my Labubu saying hi to you.
So, Deepti, explain what is your Labubu personality and how is it different from
I think
your other Labubus?
I think my Labubu is just like me, so I like to dress him up. I like to take him with me on trips, and he also eats with me. And there's a special cradle which is there for him, in which he sleeps. Like there's a separate bed for him. He has his own clothes and hangers and different closets for himself.
Is it a he or a she?
It's a he.
It's a he. Okay.
I have total 7 Labubus, so this is one of them.
Amazing. And does he have a name?
So I have named him the DS Labubu.
Okay.
Yeah, on my initials, he's DS.
So she has a Bagwati and she has a Labubu.
Yes.
And another question that the nation wants to know is, did your Labubu have a Khan outfit as well?
My Labubu has come into my life
very recently.
4 days back, yeah. So this is very new and recent. Maybe next year, Cannes, he would like to go with me. Maybe I'll get a tuxedo for him and he'll be there with me.
It's very comforting to know that he will be around till next year. But do you think the hype is real? Do you think the hype around Labubu is real?
I don't know. It's like the Pop Mart thing, you know, that was there in people's life. And the best thing, actually, the fun about Labubu is the unboxing. So, you know, you don't know what's there in store for you. It's not written on the packaging. So, in fact, I uploaded a reel where I was unboxing one Labubu, and the fun is that you might get a rare one, or you might get a different one, and what color you're gonna get. So it's a
surprise.
It's
There's
a surprise element,
yes.
And it's just a trend. You never know how long it exists, but enjoy till it lasts.
Yeah. So could you tell us how do we get our own Labubus? Where did you get yours from?
So I ordered it in Dubai. There's a store, Little Things. That store has currently Labubus, and online also you can order it. I'm not sure about India, how do you get it?
I think people are going outside and getting Labubus for now.
But for my friends, I got them to India, and I've given to the people who wanted to.
Super nice. So if you want your own Labubu, you know who to reach out to.
Yes,
That's Deepti Sadhwani for Mo.
Thank you.
Thank you, Deepti.